future prospects of JAICA and Japanese people of Japanese government support for Pakistan? The future projects.
Oh, okay. Of course, with regard to the such a Gandhara museum and Gandhara's arts, we will continue to support. And these are the friendship from the Japanese people. Japanese people, everybody knows the Gandhara arts and the Gandhara cultural history. So it's great for us to continue to support.
There is very much supporting the Japanese government and scholarship for the Pakistani youth. Do you think that what is the future, how many students you will give them scholarship, especially the less privileged areas of the Pakistan?
We believe the exchange of people to people is very important, so we will continue to provide such a scheme to invite the Pakistani students to come to Japan to learn many things. So this is a very important project. We will continue.
Supporting the excellency much in culture. So this would be not the end of the support in the field of culture. What do you think that in the which museum or the cultural sector you would support in your next phase?
Oh, it's not decided yet, but we will place very high priority on this human heritage. So we'll continue to support.
Sir, how much JAICA is supporting Pakistan on account of financial assistance to Pakistan?
Actually, these resources, all of them come from the Japanese government and the Japanese people. So
it's a grant.
there are many types of schemes we have, and not only JAICA, but also the other governmental organizations will support Pakistan. So we will continue to use all the methods to support Pakistan's development.